It's almost dinner time, and of course, you would like to cook something really easy and, of course, fast. Here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have the perfect recipe for you with Southwestern Beef Tortilla Bake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the ground beef. Now let's prepare the filling. Let's build the dish. Feel free to use plain tortilla chips instead of strips. Set your timer for 25 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Tortillas are a foundation of Mesoamerican cuisine. They date back to 500 BCE. Tortilla is derived from the word torta, which translates as cake. That looks great right out of the oven. Garnish with chopped cilantro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is really good. The combination of ground beef, green chilies, black beans, cheddar cheese, and tortilla strips creates an amazing dish perfect for any night of the week. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready. Stay with us. Watch the next video.